Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful. Making love with you is all I wanna do. Loving you is more than just a dream come true, and everything that I do is out of loving you. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, doo 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 doo. Why do I get so nervous when I look into your eyes? Butterflies can't stop me falling for you. Darling, this is more than anything I felt before. Everything that I want, but I didn't think I'd find someone who was worth the weight of all the years of my heartbreak. But I know now I found the one I love. Alam kong alam mong mahal kita. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba. Di man sabihin ang iyong damdamin, alam kong di magkaiba, magkaiba. Oh no, 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 no. When you feel it in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways, like hanging with your crew. Said you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. And everything in your past, you wanna let it go. I've been there, done it. After all that, this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone. If you're touched by the words in the song, then baby, you got it bad. When you're on the phone, hang up and you call right back. You got it bad. When you miss a day without your friend, you hold arms up. Di ko na sasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ng mahalaga. Whoa. At kahit na kailan pa may di mawawala, pagkat dala ko ang mapa. San man mapunta, alam kung saan nagmula. Whoa. Hi, B. Kamusta ka? Busy ka? Pasensya ka na. Di ko nasagot yung tawag mo kanina. Late na kasi kami nakauwi galing event. Tapos mamaya, meron na naman kaming event. Valentine's Day pa naman yun. Tapos hindi tayo makakapagkita. Pasensya ka na. Pero promise ko babawi ako sa'yo. Gagawa ko ng paraan para makapagkita tayo pag pinayagan kami. Pasensya na. Marami ka bang ginagawa? Sige na. Baka mapagalitan ka pa dyan. I miss you. Ako'y nagpapasalamat, sa mga naniwala sa aking abilidad, sa paggapang ko ng banayad. Tatanawin ko kayo sa aking paglipad. Salamat, thank you very much.